gonna start another day. Let's go. How you doing? So let's do some 3+2 blitz. Yeah, I think this will be the best. Okay, so yeah, I changed it to 3D board. I think it's way better for board vision. So let's start. Let's start playing the collie. Okay, so the collie is like D4, knight 3 here, bishop here, and then you can go for the collie Zuktor, which is B3 and bishop here. Now, the difference between collie and a London is that in collie you bring the bishop out, so the queen can always attack your pawn. But in the collie Zukator, you do here, and it's way better, and the stockfish loves it way more. So yeah, and I also turn on the sound for like music and stuff. So knight f6. This is a good move. It's just a basic move. So they're trying to do King's Indian maybe, or the Nimzo attack. We're gonna continue with their setup. So we're gonna go here, here. Okay, so yeah, he's going for the King's Indian. Well, I mean, we can still go first, basically, and we can go here. So yeah, let's just continue. So this is called a system, right? The collie is a control system. So now increases vibrations in the sound. Remember, I turned the sound up in my last video to pentonic. It just sounds a lot better. Okay, so go BT. And if you want to know how to set 3D boards, just go to the board. And then click 3D, and then you can change your pieces. I like this one. It's okay. It depends. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Now, the goal of this is a castle and just play a game. So yeah, I have the opportunity. Continue. Now, there's a good plan with this, and then you attack. We can't do that here. Now the King's Indian player wants to attack on this side. But we also want to attack on this side. And they can't really do that, so they're gonna go for that way. Okay. So we want to get the center, right? So we'll go here. I mean, we don't want to bring a rook here, but we don't have to do that right now. Okay, so let's bring a rook here to attack. Now we want to get the center before they can, and bring our pieces in the center and try to attack them. So let's see what they do. Now remember, when we're doing this opening, we want to have our pieces developed. We did that. We got that. Okay, so they got knight here. Now, this one's okay. You're losing this advantage on this. You open up your bishop, that's good, but you don't really have anything there. So, what do we do here? Well, the knight's out, right? Knights on the rim is good. I hope you've heard that before. I'm making a fool of myself. But here, they can take, and then you take. It's fine. I mean, it's not bad. And for a blitz game, it's not terrible. And you can always go for the pawn push idea. I really like this one. I'm gonna play it just for the fun sake. Remember, chess, you can take risks. It's not like you're betting money on this or anything. So let's take that risk, see what they do. It's 1644, so I think we can play that risk. Oh. Now, of course, if they go here, this stops our idea, but we have other stuff, like, yeah, so they go here. Now, when we take this, we open this file that we can attack. Also, we can go here, and we can go here. Now, what do you want to do? This is hard to decide. I feel like you can take to here, and then if the knight moves, then, oh wow, there's nothing really much. But you always start an attack. Or just go here first, even if they move it back. Yeah, this is fine. And they can't really take because you would take, or you would take. And they can't take that because of your pawn. So you guard everything. You're trying to attack on this side. I don't know how you will. And once this opens up, we can start doing that. But the knight's here. The knight's so bad. Because remember, the knight on the game, they can't do anything. If you come here, it's okay. I mean, yeah, that's the goal of it, but it's okay. Okay, so we go knight here. So what is that doing? It's attacking a knight, so we have to move our knight. So, I think the best place will go here, right? Because then we open up that file, yeah. And even though it's a bad knight, I can always come here. Yeah, that's the scary thing. Well, he wants to trade, but that bishop is trash, so it's fine. And that knight was trash too, but it's fine. Okay, so let's go. I don't want to open up their bishop. Let's just go here. That's fine. If they take, we take. Oh, that made a nice sound. Okay, let's go here. I hope you guys can hear the sound. Okay, so they go here. Now, what we want to do is something good. So, of course, you want to do something good, but, why don't we go here? And if they take, we can go here. I feel like that's fine. Yeah, we start an attack. Do you like that, guys? We can always take back. And of course they have a file after. But we can always reclaim it. Yeah. I mean, of course they're gonna have some disadvantages here and left and right, but like, you gotta take some risks. You're not stockfish, okay? You wouldn't know everything. Of course, I made some mistakes, probably, definitely. But that's the way you learn from. You have to analyze your game. So I'll analyze my game. Oh, I know last video my game wasn't shown. Not bad. So I don't know. It says 1660 by 2000 rapid. I don't know, cause I just haven't been playing Blitz that much. I just play Blitz to show you guys. So yeah, of course the video thumbnail says 2000. But that's how it is. Okay. And if you want, I can show it at the last. Oh, okay, so we have 20 seconds. Let's think fast. Knight here, and then pawn and knight takes. So we don't want to do that. We don't have to take in a center. We just go here. We can play safe, and then we can always bring our bishop here and attack. But the difference is that when you go here, your bishop's blocked, right? But you defended the queen, so you can always put the bishop here. It doesn't matter what you do. You want to develop it anyways. And if this opens up, the better it is for you. So we can stay on here as long as we can until this opens up. We can try opening it up, but it might not work. So, you can guard this pawn, but then they can take. Okay, so yeah, they took. So you're not supposed to take on those files because it opens up something for your. So I'm gonna go look here. Now look, this looks really cool, right? And then you get tactical board mission, right? And online games you normally go get board mission, but I can say to my coach, "Ooh, my bad, chat. Let's just go here. Ooh, okay, let's just go here." Of course, that was a bad move, but it happens in time pressure. We should have thought better. Bishop here and then, guys, you see here and then here? Do you see that, or here? I feel like that's not big. Cause I mean, if we go knight here first, it doesn't really help us. If we can go here first and then knight here, that helps. Cause then we get two pressure. Two pressures on one pawn. Weakness. Okay, so let's go here. Cause we're not defending right. And we can always take it. Well, yeah. Or we can go here. That's fine. Here's fine because you're trying to attack that. Let's just go. Let's take this. Let's take this! Okay, so we're gonna fork again, but we don't take it because that'll be too. Come on. Just take it. I took it because I was in time. Oh, I should. Now when they take, we're cooked. We're absolutely cooked. Now this is a bishop, okay? I might look like a pawn, but it's a bishop. Guys, I shouldn't have lost that piece, bro. We're absolutely fried. Okay, yeah, we're cooked. Okay, so let's go here. Oh, we should go here. Oh, I keep forgetting what we come, but it was guarding it. Okay, so here, so we go here. It just attacks. I don't even know what that is. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's see what we did. My bad for the bad words, but it's needed. Okay. That's a background, right? So here, we played good. Nice. Okay, so we play all pretty. Ooh, okay, so we should castle it before. But knight BT2 is playable. It's not even that. Okay, so this is just my opening. You can play whatever you want. This is my opening. Here. Whoa. Here. Okay, not bad. Okay, see, this is not a bad move for them. I thought it was bad, my bad. Because they can always go here, yeah. Okay, so what should I have done here? Here, the best one was here, guarding it. Okay, and then, what was the continuation? Let's say they go e5, which is the best one. Go here. Okay. And we go into King's Indian attack. Set up, and this is the normal. So let's see what we could have done. So, yeah, here. Okay, so this is unavoidable. But we go. Okay, so this is good for us. This is not even bad. Okay. Oh, I should have went here. Okay, and what would happen if here? Sorry. Oh, you would create a weakness on this file that you can attack. Wait. Watch this. Wait. You have to wait for everything. So let's say they go rook here. Then you can go bishop here, attacking this file, and then you can put pressure on this. Now if they go like pawn here or something, then you can go here, and then they're nice. This is a part of Night on Gamers Game. If you don't have that file, so I think we could have played Bishop C5 regardless, but that's fine. Okay, so let's continue. This is not what we played on the game. We play it here, and now this attacks us. It's not that bad anymore. So we go Bishop here. Pawn here's a bad move, but I was in time pressure. I could have thought better. Bishop here was obviously good. You want to don't get up your bishop. And that's a good bishop only because it could go here. I missed that. So let's continue. So pawn here. Pawn takes is better, of course. But no, okay, we could have kept this. This is not bad. Okay, so the take. We take a throw. Okay, taking the throw was our mistake, guys. We found it. Because if we take with the rook, then they can pin us. So why would we do that? This is such a good move, and you have such a good position. I don't even care about stock position. Mine is 0.4, so less. So right here, I had the win. But then, well, I made up. Okay, so here, check. Oh, queen here was good. You're trying to do so about right here. Then pawn here. If knight here. Then pawn. Okay, so you just you lose that, but you have such a big attack right now. Should have thought about this. Yeah. What's queen here? Pawn here. Oh, queen is right there. Okay, so not pawn. No, we go. Let's say we go. No, let's say we go rook here. Now what? You take. Now rook can't. Rook can't take. So yeah, so we go here. Chasing away the knight like that. See, basically what you did, this is kind of hard to see, but what you did here is that when you capture it, right, it creates, and then you lose it. And I just gave it. I think I had a shot here. But remember, pins really help. So what did we learn from the game? Don't pin your rook to your queen, right here. So yeah, we pinned our knight to queen. And then look for sacrifices when you pin. I shouldn't have played that. I was looking for an easy way. I had 6 seconds. I think I had enough to win, but I just took them. This is a much better move. I could have brought the rook here and dominated it. And if rook here, you can show pawn here, knight here, and then you can just bring your pawn, and then you'll absolutely demolish because you can always fork him. And after you go back, let's say rook here, then you go queen here, and then rook here, you can go takes. Takes, and then yeah, I should have calculated that. I don't think I have time. Okay, bye. See you guys next time. Please join our tournaments. Let me show you. So after you log in, you'll get like an email that sends you to this. So it's called Chess Domination. I can't really show you the link, but it's Chess Domination tournament community. You can just join this. Please join it. We want 50 members. It's completely free. Why wouldn't? And if you guys are not using Lichess, why won't you? And please use a 3D board because like it's really good and it can help your board visual. Okay, bye. See you guys next time.